Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today we're going to show you how to play Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Hopefully this helps you out. If it does, like and subscribe to my channel. I think this is a great song for beginners to learn. It's beginner first position chords, pretty simple, with this nice little bass line that follows it. So I think anybody can learn it too. So let's get started on the lesson, okay? So to begin with, you're going to take your fourth finger, put it on the third fret of the E string, your third finger, and put it on the third fret of the B string. In the first part of the song, basically, you're going to keep your fingers right there. So it starts out by an open A, hammering onto the second fret, and then an open D, that's how you start it. Then it goes an open G string, second fret of the D, open D. Then it hits the third fret on the E string, open A, hammer on the second fret, open D, second fret of the D. Then the open G again. So this is how it goes. It goes. And then it does this. So it starts out the same. As it goes back though, it goes second fret D, open D, second fret of A, open A, so the second time, instead of doing open strings, you take your first finger and your second finger and you put them on the second fret of the D and the G. And you end that on a G chord, which is going to be your second finger on the third fret, your first finger on the second fret of the A. So I'll do it from beginning to end. Okay. So it does that twice. And then it does, where you start singing, it goes into a C chord. C chord is going to be the third fret on the A string, second fret on the D, first fret on the B string. D chord, second fret of the G, second fret of the E, and the third fret of the B, to an A minor. A minor is going to be second fret of the D, second fret of the G, first fret of the B string. Back to the G chord. And then from the G chord, you're going to go to the D. From the D back to the C, to the A minor. And on that C chord, it's going to, on the A string, you're going to go 3, 2, A minor, back to the G, C, D, A minor, G, D, C, A minor, and that is the parts and pieces to that song. Those are the basic chords and the basic notes for the descending bass part. And I think it's very doable by any beginner. It's a great, fun song to play and learn. The trick to this song is if you play along with the video, you got to play very slowly, which actually makes it easier to play. So anyway, hopefully this helps you. If it did, like and subscribe to my channel. And if there's another song you'd like to learn, leave it in the comments below, okay? Thank you, and have a great day.